Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a Fortnite gift card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is head over to epicgames.com, and from here make sure to sign in, so click on sign in. If you haven't got an account, go ahead and create an account, then sign in. So as you can see here, I'm going to jot in my email address and password because I've already got an Epic's game account. Or you can sign in using any one of these, or you can create an account manually as well. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Gmail, my Google account. So this is loading. I'm going to choose Tutorial Wiz, continue. That's going to redirect me back to Epic Games and sign me in. As you can see, I am signed in here on the top right hand corner. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is click on the Epic's game logo, top left hand corner of the screen here, and then click on Fortnite. And now you'll be brought to Fortnite.com. And now from here, click onto your profile, top right hand corner. And then you want to click on redeem. So click on redeem. It's going to redirect you to redeem your reward. So enter the access code here, click on redeem, and enjoy using your Fortnite gift card.